Hi guys, how's going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is a super simple chocolate muffin, which I added toffee bits as topping. You don't have to if you don't want to, but when it's still warm, it's nice flavor, and when it's cooled down, it's kind of like sticky toffee on the top. So yeah, it's very easy to make, simple to prepare. I bet you have everything at home. Again, it is with toffee bits. If you want it, it's nice. If you don't want it, it's fine as well. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 1 to 3 cup of strong baker's flour, enriched flour, 4 tablespoons of Hershey cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix this. You can mix it with spoon, spatula, wooden spoon, or balloon whisk. It's up to you. Ball, beat 2 whole eggs until completely beaten. Now we're gonna pour this egg into our dry ingredients. In 1/4 cup of sour cream. The low fat is fine. The full fat is fine. The low fat is fine. Skim is fine. It's up to you. And the 2 beaten egg. And then we're gonna add about 1/3 cup of hot boiling water. So we're just gonna mix this until just combine, and then we're gonna drop in our chocolate chips. I almost forgot mentioning about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, but I'm using olive oil sometimes, and this time I'm using olive oil as well. Fold in 2 handfuls of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and now we're gonna drop it to our prepared pan. So drop about 1/4 cup of batter to each prepared pan. Once each paper cup is filled, we're gonna top the batter generously with score toffee bits. Now we're gonna bake the muffin for 18 to 20 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit convection oven.